Good morning to the crew. Today, we are gonna grab some bite in the kiosk, right?
Yeah.
Little shops that we saw yesterday. So let's go eat in the water right now.
Hi. Can we get the mega breakfast box? We're gonna share it.
Are you sitting here? Are you taking it away?
What do you wanna do? We can, yeah.
Okay, we'll eat
Bring it
here.
here, yeah, we'll put it on a plate for you.
All right, that'll be great. Thank you. How do you say this town's name?
Amloch.
Amloch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, can you also tell me that Croeso? That's welcome, right?
That's welcome, yeah.
And how do you say that?
Croeso.
Croeso. And hello is Suteki.
So, yeah, like that's
how
like
are
how
you?
are you?
Okay,
Suteki.
Suteki.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that's
Black pudding, thank you. It's black pudding, right?
yeah. Black pudding 하고 egg, baked beans,
Mushroom.
toast,
이거
potato,
감자,
and
소시지.
sausages, and 여기 뒤에는 bacon.
Oh my god, looks good. Oh, I gotta take a photo.
All right. 맛있다.
It's my style, baby.
really 수고.
UK bacon, right?
So thick.
It's not like American bacon. 영국 음식 누가 맛없다 그랬노? 내 스타일인데. So good.
I think this is like a top 3 breakfast I've had. 진짜 맛있어.
Actually, I really like the black pudding. I never expect this with this flavor. Well, everyone says it can taste like the bloody, right?
Yeah.
Which I'm not. Yeah, which I cannot eat it. But you want ice cream?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
You want to eat more after this?
I want to have ice cream.
That breakfast was amazing, by the way.
it's really delicious.
Enjoy that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. honey가 좀 잡아줘.
Oh, okay. Oh, we got ice cream already. Ooh, wow.
Yeah, that's it. 2 coins. Yeah, I have a 3 coin. Guys, we are gonna do a little hike to the other side. And here is right there.
오늘 저녁은
프라이드 치킨.
fried chicken.
Can you try?
Oh, it's already done?
This small one. It's test piece.
Okay. Let me see.
뜨겁지? 방금 건져놨는데.
뜨거워.
어때?
맛있네.
맛있어? Good? 튀긴 거 바로 튀긴 거 맛있지? 암위치. 아니야. 암위치 아니가? 암위치인데.
Amloch.
아니?
That's what they said.
Good afternoon to the crew. We stay here really good. I really like this spot because town size is perfect for us. It's not that big, it's not that small. You can do hiking a little bit. You have tons of pubs around here and then little snack kiosk, right? But anyways, today we are gonna head to the little small island. It is called
Holyhead.
Holyhead. So we are gonna go there, right? And it's raining a little bit. Keep left.
Yeah, keep left. Thank you.
Guys, we're gonna go shopping. 쇼핑은 끝났습니다. We bought tons of stuff because we are out of stocks for the food and beer too. 먹어야겠다. 당
그래.
떨어져. 허니는 아침에 그렇게 많이 안 먹었잖아. Guys, our plan is wasn't working. It poured rain today. You can see it's still dripping from the window. We're planning to go to the lighthouse over there, right there. But you know, we're not that familiar like walking in the rain. We're not British yet. So we are staying in the van. Hopefully tomorrow weather will be better. And Mark is preparing dinner, right?
Yep.
What are you preparing?
Pulled pork
And
and bap.
bab. Bab is this bread. It's quite dark. I'm gonna move here. And
Can we turn on the light for you?
yeah, this is the bab. So this one is basically bread, but they call it bab. This is kind of 4 large soft white bab. So you can see in the little stores that they usually say what? So
Bacon and bap.
Mark loved to say that word, and he's keep repeating that word. I feel like I'm living with a 3 years old boy. He keeps like bacon bap, bacon bap. So this is gonna be our bread with a pulled pork. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. 괜찮은데 밥? Good morning, guys. Oh my god, it's quite windy and cold too. Yesterday it was rains. Yesterday it rained, so we couldn't go out check the old town. But today we're gonna check old town, and then over there, it was so windy. There is a lighthouse. We were thinking to walk all the way. It takes 1 hour, but we decided not to do it because we can see from here. But there is another what is that? There's another lighthouse the other side of the island, but we are gonna go. Hi. Thank you. We are gonna drive up there. It's so windy. It's hard to open my eyes right now, and I hope you guys can hear me. Oh, look at the view. Oh my god. 야, 이거 완전 바람이 얼굴을 때리는데? Guys, here there's a ferry. It's going to island. Look at that yacht. Are you excited to go to a town? Chi Ima
This is the old town.
are here.
Yes. Should we go in here and then go in that street there?
좋아. 여기 무비티를. 영화관. 여기 영화관 싸더라고. 6.5. 수요일 날에는 3.5. 이거 하더라고. 하고
Oh, my big fat grief. Wedding. 3까지 나왔네.
내가 한 번도 본 적 없는데.
Let's go inside. So it's there.
library.
Ooh. Last time I was in the library.
But it stopped being a market in the mid-1990s.
Okay. And then they changed it to a library.
Yeah, we opened in 2019.
Ah.
포스트오피스가 왜 그거 수분이 파네? Can you see?
Yeah.
그 대부분 약간 다 문을 닫은 느낌이다. honey. Can we
Yeah.
the vintage toys games?
20 yards that way.
20 yard면 얼마야? 그 미터로?
1 yard is similar to a meter.
아 그래? 그럼 20m 가면 되는 거야?
Yeah. Thank you.
와, 내 크리스마스다. 와,
또 있네.
할크도 있다. 이거 소룡 아이가.
맞네. Grizzly.
Yeah.
Got some Elvis records.
Guys, we are gonna walk on the pedestrian bridge. Huh, that's cool art. So it's quite cool town. I really like that sometimes like old time is captured.
Hot roast pork baps. Yeah. Hi.
Are you okay?
Good, yeah.
Good.
we get a roast pork chop?
I've got none left, sorry.
Okay. You get the breakfast cups and stuff like that.
Yeah, we've got bacon left there now, yeah, and blackbird.
Okay. Alright, we'll come back later then.
Always.
Alright,
See you later, guys. Bye.
Oh, you don't have roast one. Sorry, we couldn't get the roast pork. 로스트 포크를 못 가져가지고 라면으로 하기로 했어요. 꼬들꼬들하게 잘 끓였네, 아니야. Guys, we are heading to the other lighthouse. Yeah, we are kind of rushing because we are planning to leave Holy Island and Holy Net today. So yeah, you can walk there from where we are staying. It takes like over 1 hour, but you know, like when you drive, it's quite quick. It's like 8 minutes. So we're gonna drive up and then look at the lighthouse and then leave this place.
It's quite a steep narrow road to get up there.
Wow.
Your destination is on the right.
There's plenty of parking spots. Nice.
여기 끝에 대면 되겠다. Guys, we thought it's free, but up to 1 hour is it £2? Oh, so windy, and all that is like the £5. So we gotta put the ticket up to our windshield over here.
But actually, it's for a good thing. It helps to support the.
Oh, okay. So it's like supporting the. Here, look at this. The money from the discharge contribute to the RSPB conservation work, including looking after our fantastic reserve. Oh, 저 보인다, honey야. Oh, over there. I can see. So cold. Oh, that's cool. Oh, windy. There's like a lighthouse is closed, but I think we can walk around there. Because anyways, it's beautiful, you know. 대박! Guys, it's so pretty. Lighthouse over that top. And I can see that like, I don't know how can I say, like a twinkle is shining through. Oh, it's so quite cool. Wow, it's really beautiful.
I hope you've got a lot of energy. There's 410 steps.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Over there too. 예쁘네. 왜 이렇게 커? 나 솔직히 말해서 등대 온다고 했을 때 별로 기대는 안 했거든. 여러분 사실 제가 등대를 온다고 해서 그렇게 기대는 안 했어요. 제가 기대했던 등대는 우리 아까 캠핑했던 곳. 거기가 이제 지도로 보니까 좀 신기하게 생겼더라고. 그랬는데 여기 진짜 예쁘네. 우와. 우와. 대박이다. 에이.
Wow.
위험하다, 위험해.
Lock. Okay. Wow. Your foot doesn't even fit on the steps.
Yeah, I'm here for the night.
Alright.
Here
It
we
is
go.
locked.
당연히 잠겼지. 사람이 설명이 없더라, 얘가. 이거 봐. The layer of the.
Oh, that's really cool. Those are some serious locks.
나 여기까지밖에 못 가.
Anyways, still quite
예쁘다.
nice.
갈까?
Now we gotta climb all the way back up. Oh my gosh.
You can do. 할 수 있어.
Hey.
Almost open the opposite way. Okay. 내 문 안 닫혔네. Okay. Good.
Let's go.
갑시다. 우리는 갑시다. 등대 잘 봤습니다. 맞지?
네.
이뻤어. 여러분 여기 이뻤어요.